mahalaga ang balance. May mga iba-ibang roles tayo. Your role in the family, your role at work, your role in the community, at kung ano-ano pang role na tinanggap mo. I know madalas mo na rinig yang dapat you have to balance everything, but that's really true. Because if you're off balance, may magsasuffer na role. May mga araw na ang galing mo sa trabaho, pero kulelat sa pamilya. Pero if you also spend a lot of time in the family, which is good, pero napag-iiwanan mo yung work, maapektuhan din yung pamilya niyan because that's your source of income. And if you also do a lot of community service, that's good. That helps other people, right? But not to the point of neglecting your family, being inefficient at work. So ano nang gagawin para mabalance? Number one is to really be careful with saying yes. Mag-yes ka sa kakayanin mo. Hindi yes ng yes sa lahat. Because a yes to something may be a no to your family. Di ba the most important currency is not actually money, it's time. Kaya know where you wanna put your time. Kasi di na maibabalik yung oras. Kaya assess your life right now. Balanse pa ba? There's also time for yourself. It's really a balancing act. Hindi siya madali at hindi siya perfect. Pero my encouragement to you is to strive for balance. Learn what to accept and learn what to reject. Through time, mahahanap mo rin yan. Ma-achieve mo rin yan. Kung nahihirapan ka, ask God for His wisdom. Before working on any of your roles, unahin mo muna ang Diyos. Kasi nakikita niya ang lahat at siya ang magbibigay ng inspirasyon sa'yo paano balansehin lahat yan.